You know that feeling when you're juggling dinner for the whole family and the oven is taking forever, your fries come out soggy, and somehow the chicken is still undercooked? Yeah, that chaos. Well, that's exactly what the Emphsism 1600W dual-zone air fryer oven promises to fix. If you've ever wished for a faster, healthier, stress-free way to cook for your family without sacrificing that crispy, golden finish, stick around, because this might just be the gadget you didn't know you needed. The Emphsism air fryer is designed for modern households, especially families of 4 to 8 people who want to eat better without spending hours in the kitchen. At first glance, it's a substantial machine, a sleek, black digital oven with dual compartments separated by a divider, giving you 2 independent cooking zones. That might sound simple, but it's a game changer when you're cooking multiple dishes at once. You can roast chicken in one side, while crisping fries on the other, all without flavor crossover. But let's talk design. The exterior has this understated modern vibe. Clean lines, matte finish, not the kind of thing that dominates your countertop. The handles feel solid, the touchscreen interface is responsive, and the LED-lit window lets you see your food cooking without opening the basket. This is one of those small but surprisingly satisfying details. No more poking or guessing if your food is ready. The baskets themselves are non-stick and dishwasher-safe, so cleanup is as easy as tossing them in the dishwasher, which is a huge relief after a busy weeknight meal. The Emphsism isn't just about looks. It's packing 1,600 watts of cooking power, which translates into seriously fast results. Using its match cook and smart finish features, the oven circulates air rapidly, cooking food evenly and up to 30% faster than a conventional oven. Fries get that perfect golden crisp, chicken stays juicy inside, and you're doing all of it with up to 80% less oil. Yes, you can have indulgent textures without the calorie overload. A huge win for anyone trying to eat healthier without losing flavor. In practice, the dual-zone setup really shines. I tested it on a full family dinner. A whole chicken on one side, veggies on the other, plus a tray of fries in the second compartment. Everything finished at just the right time. The touchscreen is intuitive. You can set different temperatures and times for each zone or sync them for simultaneous cooking. The pre-programmed presets cover everything from roasting to baking to dehydrating, which makes it beginner-friendly if you're not a pro chef, of course. No product is perfect. The Emphsism oven is large, which means it needs countertop space, and its weight can make moving it a bit cumbersome. Also, the learning curve for multitasking 2 zones simultaneously can take a few tries if you're used to a single oven setup. That said, the benefits, speed, crispiness, and capacity easily outweigh these minor inconveniences for most families. Compared to other air fryers in the 12 to 13 quart range, the Emphsism stands out for its dual-zone flexibility and solid build. Many competitors either offer huge single baskets or smaller dual-zone models with weaker heating elements. Emphsism hits a sweet spot, generous capacity without compromising performance. In terms of price, it's competitive, and the ability to cook multiple dishes simultaneously without juggling trays or switching racks gives it a clear edge. So, who is this for? If you regularly cook for a family, entertain friends, or just want to streamline weeknight meals while eating healthier, this oven is ideal. If you live alone or rarely cook multiple items at once, a smaller or simpler model might suffice. But if convenience, speed, and versatility are priorities, it's hard to beat this setup. Final verdict. The Emphsism 1600W dual-zone air fryer oven is a thoughtfully designed, powerful, and versatile kitchen tool. It's fast, it delivers consistent results, cleanup is hassle-free, and it genuinely makes meal prep less stressful. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10, losing a point only for its size and learning curve for first-time dual-zone users. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen routine, definitely consider checking it out. Hit the like button if this review helped, subscribe for more honest kitchen gadget reviews, and check the link in the description for current pricing and deals. Trust me, your future self, standing in front of a perfectly roasted chicken and golden fries, will thank you.